Mark from Baytown has a question about leak detection.
Well, he gets this wet line on his ceiling right here, just this line there.
When it rains?
It's like you're reading ahead on the prompter. Mark writes, there is no damage to my roof or my shingles. My return air system in my attic is relatively close to this spot, though. And he's wondering, is this an HVAC problem, a plumbing problem, a leaky roof? Who does he call?
Number three. Leaky roof.
Could it be because it happens right after it rains?
Yeah, come on, guy.
Okay.
And I know that a lot of people say, well, could it be something else? And I look at my roof looks fine. It doesn't matter what your roof looks like. It could be brand new and still have a hidden leak. Mm-hmm. That's why you call experts in like Ideal Roofing. Those guys will find it. All it takes is just a little spot around flashing or something that's not even going to be there for the eye to see unless you're super experienced. Fixing it's probably going to be a piece of cake. You're going to have more problems repairing all that sheetrock than you will fixing the roof leak. But when it rains and it shows up, it's a roof leak.
Fair enough. So start with Ideal.
Absolutely.
All right. You
probably end with them too.
Huh? Probably end with them too.
Yes.
It's true. Well, unless you want to upgrade your AC with Absolute Comfort Air.
Well, yeah, but it's not causing the problem
for your
there.
plumbing.
Yeah.
I mean, it depends. If you want people visiting the house, we have a whole list of people who'd be happy to come visit you at HomeShowRadio.com. You can go alphabetically or by trade, however you want to do it. But they all have in common that Tom thinks that they are just the bee's knees at what they do.
Okay, we just lost everybody with the bee's knees under the age of 60. I know what it means.
All right.
Because I'm old. Well, I was born in the 50s.
Contextually, I'm sure you could figure out what I was saying. And you'll figure this out, too. If you want us to answer your question, go ahead and send it to us at HomeShowRadio.com. We'll post your answer just like these videos. Subscribe to our channel, click the bell,
Ding.
and we'll ring yours when we post a new one.